Now class 9, see question number 6. In question number 6, it is given 4a cube minus 9a square plus 3a plus 2. Okay, you have to factorize this one. Now how you will factorize? You know that you have to let a value. Okay, so in a rough column, what you will do, let a equals to 1. You will always start any variable value from 1. Okay, so a equals to 1 you will write. After this, whatever question is given to you, that question you will write in a rough 4a cube minus 9a square plus 3a plus 2. Okay, after this you will put a value as a 1 because we are letting a value 1. Okay, so a cube means 1 cube minus 9. A square means 1 square plus 3. A means 1 plus 2. Now 4. A cube will give you 1 cube will give you 1 only because cube means multiplication of 1 3 times. Okay, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So you will get 1 only. Okay. Now again 9. 1 square means multiplying 1 2 times. 1 ones are 1. 9 into 1. Then 3 ones are 3 plus 2. 4 ones are 4 minus 9 ones are 9 plus 3 plus 2. Now do one thing, add the numbers which can be added. 4 plus 3 plus 2. So 4 plus 3, how much? 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 and here minus 9. Plus 9 minus 9 will give you 0. It means that whenever I am getting 0 in the last, we can use this a equals to 1 to factorize the given equation, given question. Okay. So what I will do here, a equals to 1, I am taking this plus 1 this side, it will become minus 1. Means I will take a minus 1 to solve the question. Okay. So what I will do, I will not write second line. I will start from third line and second line we will leave it as it is. Okay. And 3 times I will write a minus 1, a minus 1, a minus 1. And in between these 3 terms we have to give some space. Okay. Now we need 4a cube, but I have only a. So I will multiply with 4a square. Now 4a square into a, 4a cube. Now 4a square into minus 1 plus minus minus 4a square into 1 minus 4a square. But we need minus 9a square. Minus 4a square we got already. So what we will do? We will multiply with minus 5a. Now see, minus plus minus 5a into a, 5a into a square. So minus minus plus 4 plus 5, we will get minus 9a square. Now minus minus plus 5a into 1, 5a. Okay, but we need plus 3a only. I am getting here plus 5a. So after that what I will do? I will try to make it plus 3a. How? Minus 2. See. Minus plus minus 2 into a, 2a. Now see, plus minus minus 5a minus 2a, 3a, but we will get plus 3a. Why? Because 5 is greater and with 5 we have plus sign. Minus minus plus 2 into 1. Now see, we got 4a cube, minus 9a square. Minus 4a square minus 5a square will give us minus 9a square. Plus 5a minus 2a will give us plus 3a plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Now this one we will write one time, a minus 1, and what is that? 4a square minus 5a minus 2. Okay. Now this one is done. If it is possible to do middle term factor of this one, you have to do. Okay. Now see how you will do middle term. First you will multiply this last number with the first number. Means if you have any number with this one, then you will multiply. If you don't have, no need to multiply, only you will take the LCM of this number. But since I have 4 here with a square, I have to multiply first. 2 4s are 8. Okay, so I am getting 8 here. After that I have to take LCM of 8. I am writing this portion. Now if I will take LCM of 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. I need 8 after multiplication and 5 after subtraction. Why subtraction? Because I will see this sign, this is minus sign. Okay, so I will need minus 5. Why 5? Because this one. Okay, whatever number we have here, I need this one only. So it is possible to get 5 from here. Let me do 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2, 4 minus 2, 2. But we need 5. Not possible. 2 2s are 4, again same thing, 4 minus 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1, if you will do 8 minus 1, again 7 will come. Okay, but 5 is not coming. It means that this one is your answer only. Okay, copy this one. Now class 9C, question number 7 is given x cube minus 9x square plus 23x minus 50. Okay, first of all, what I have to do in a rough, I will take x value 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. So first I am taking x value 1, then I am taking x value 1 and I am putting in the given information data x cube minus 9x square plus 23x minus 50. So x cube means 1 cube minus 9. X square means 1 square plus 23, x means 1 minus 15. 1 cube will give you 1, 1 square will give you 1, 9 into 1, 23 into 1, 23, minus 15. Now 9 into 1, 9, 1 minus 9 plus 23 minus 15. Now plus 1 plus 23, plus, so 24 you will get, minus, plus, but we have to put minus sign because 15 is greater and with 15 I have minus sign. So 15 plus 9 will give you 24, plus 24 minus 24 will cancel, you will get 0. If you are getting 0, it means that you will take from here x minus 1 equals to 0. Means this plus 1 will go that side, it will become minus 1. So x minus 1 equals to 0. After that, in the third line, you will write x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 3 times, and you have to try to find all this one by one. Now see here you have only x. What you need? X cube. So that is why I am multiplying with x square. So x square into x cube, x square into minus 1, minus x square. But here we have minus 9x square. I got only minus x square. That is why I am multiplying with minus 8x. So when I will multiply with minus 8x, minus plus minus 8x into x, 8x square. Okay, minus plus 8x into 1, 8x. Okay. Now here I am getting 8x, but I need 23x. Okay, so plus 8x I already got, I need 23. So that is why I am multiplying with plus 15. So plus 15, plus 15 into x, 15x, plus minus 15 into 1, 15. Okay, now x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. You will write one time, what is that? X square minus 8x plus 15. I am writing. Now we have to try to do this middle term factor. It is possible to do middle term factor. So LCM you will take for only 15. Why? Because for 15 only. Because with x square we have no number, no digit. So I will take LCM of only 15. So 15 LCM will be, you know, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, means 5 and 3. So we have to do addition in between these two numbers to get 8. Okay, so what we will do, we will write x square, then minus sign, then we will give bracket, then I will write x, then plus 15. Okay, now after doing the LCM, 5 plus 3, 5 into 3 will give you 15, and 5 plus 3 will give you how much? 8. That is why I have written 5 into 3, 15, 5 plus 3, 8. So after addition you must get 8, and after multiplication you must get 15. So in this place, in place of 8, now what I will write? 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 I have written. Now x square minus plus minus 5 into x, 5x minus plus minus 3 into x, 3x plus 15. Okay. Now in this two, what is common? X is common, 1x left, minus 5 left. In these two, what is common? Minus 3 is common, x is left. Since we are taking minus 3 common, this sign will change, it will also become minus. And after taking 3 as a common, this one will be 5 only. Now, this one, you will write one time. What is there? X minus 3. X minus 3. So, this is your answer. Copy this one. Class 9, question number 9. Question number 9 is 2x cube minus x square plus 9x plus 5. If you will put x value 1, -1, 2, -2, 0 will not come. You have to take x equals to -half. When you will take -half, then it will come. In this exercise, this one is only the conception, means in this one you have to take fraction. Okay, otherwise in 1, -1, 2, -2 answer will come, means 0 will come in the last. But in question number 9, when you will take x equals to -half, then only 0 will come. Okay, so please practice this one properly. So x equals to -half. Now question is 2x cube minus x square plus 9x plus 5. In place of x, what I will put? -half whole cube minus, then again x square, means -half whole square, then plus 9 in place of x, -half plus 5. Now 2 I am writing as it is. Since we have odd power, minus sign will remain as it is. 1 cube will be 1, 2 cube will be 8. Okay, I am writing the bracket, it will be better. Now see, minus sign as it is. Since power is even, minus sign will remove. 1 square is 1, 2 square will 4. Now see, plus minus, power is 1, and if power is 1, it means minus sign will be there only. So plus minus, minus 9 into 1, 9 by 2 plus 5. Okay, now you can cancel this 2, 1 by 2, 2 4 is 8. It will come -1 by 4, -1 by 4, -9 by 2 plus 5. You have to take LCM. 4, 4, 2 and 1 LCM will be 4 only. 4 divided by 4, 1, 1 into -1, -1. 4 divided by 4, 1, 1 into 1, -1. 4 divided by 2, 2, 2 into 9, 9, -18. 4 divided by 1, 4, 4 into 5, 20. Now minus 1, -2 and -18, -20 plus 20. So -20 plus 20 will cancel out, it will get 0 by 4, it means 0. Okay, -1, -1, -2, -2, -18, minus plus, so -2 plus 18 will give you -20. -20 plus 20 is already here, it will cancel out and you will get 0 by 4, which means 0. Okay, now how you will do this one? See, first of all you will take this to this side, so you will get 2x equals to -1. Then you will take this -1 this side, you will get 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Means in what you will use now, you will use 2x plus 1 in the third line. So sorry, in third line you will write 3 times 2x plus 1, then again 2x plus 1, then again 2x plus 1. Okay, now here you have 2x cube. You already have 2x, so you need x square, so it will come 2x cube. Now x square plus 1, x square, but you need minus x square, you are getting plus x square. 2x is already here, minus x, so what you will get? X into 2x minus 2x. So see, plus minus minus 2x, x into 2x, 2x square. So plus minus minus, so minus x square you will get, minus x square, minus plus minus, x into 1, x. Okay, but you need plus 9, so you need 10, 5, plus 5. Now see, 5 into 2x, 10x, minus plus minus, so 9x you will get, 10 minus 1, 9, and you will put plus sign. Why? Because 10 is greater. Plus 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 5 into 1, 5, you get 5. Okay, now 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, we will write one time 2x plus 1. Now x square minus x plus x square minus x plus 5 we will write. This is the answer. If you will do middle term factor of this one, if you will take the LCM of this 5, it will come 5 only, and we need plus 1. Means after multiplication you need 5, but after addition you need 1, which is not possible in this one. So this is your answer. Copy this one. Class 9, your homework is exercise 8.1, question number 8 and 10. You have to submit your homework by giving email ID in this email ID, and if you have any query you can ask. Thank you.